How to open a demo account in MetaTrader 5. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to open a demo account in MetaTrader 5. Alright, so let's begin. Over here, first, make sure you've registered with your broker and are logged in. Click on My Account and at the top right corner, you'll see the option to open a new account. After that, you'll see different account options. Decide between MT4 and MT5. MT5 is recommended. Then look at the account types like Standard, Pro, Raw Spread and Zero accounts. For beginners, it's good to start with a standard account, so let's select that one. Then you'll go to a page where you can choose a demo or a real account. We'll select a demo account. Set the leverage to 500. Choose your currency if needed and set an account name to easily identify it. Enter your password, then click on Create Account. So that's basically how you can open a demo account in MetaTrader 5. That's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you found it helpful. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.